Hey everyone, meet the Dongfeng 4x2 cargo truck, strong, efficient and built for heavy-duty performance. With an overall dimension of 7,240 by 2,525 by 2,580 mm and a cargo box size of 4,200 by 2,300 by 900 mm, it balances power and space perfectly. The Cummins B210 turbo diesel engine delivers 210 horsepower, giving you unstoppable strength on any road. The spacious cab keeps drivers comfortable, featuring AC and an optional right-hand drive. A lightweight 4,600 kg carb weight and 14,500 kg GVW mean it carries heavy loads without wasting fuel. The 8-speed manual gearbox and 5-ton by 10-ton heavy-duty axle ensure smooth control even on tough terrain. With 300-liter fuel capacity, 580mm wearing depth, and 1,200 km range, it goes further no matter the challenge. Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle provides power, reliability, and the smart design with the Dongfeng 4x2 cargo truck. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.